good evening everyone. So, live யாராச்சும் வந்துட்டீங்கன்னா டக்குன்னு ஹாய் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Hi everyone. So, this is Vishinkri from Under Learning Together. So, yes, யாரெல்லாம் லைவ் வந்துட்டீங்களோ டக்குன்னு just say a hi so that let's start the class. Hi Monica, good evening. Yes, others, யாரெல்லாம் லைவ் வந்துட்டீங்க டக்குன்னு ஹாய் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். So, today we are going to start with a new chapter, Arithmetic Progression. So, yes, உங்கள் ஸ்கூல்லையும் எல்லாத்துக்குமே இதை மோஸ்ட்லி முடிச்சிருப்பாங்க இல்லையா? Yes, so Arithmetic Progressionல first என்னென்னலாம் இருக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். அதில் half of the chapter, let's start, try to finish it by today, okay? Yes? Okay. Yes, one sec.
We started another meeting arithmetic progression தானே மீட்டிங் ஐடி வரல கரெக்டாக பண்ணீங்களா சாதாரண
ஜூமில் தான் இருக்கேன்னா
10 CBSEல தானே இருக்கீங்க
க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வெளியே போகலாமா மறுபடியும்?
எப்பவுமே நம்மளுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருக்காது. ஓகே
Yes, let's start. Okay, so arithmetic progression chapterல என்னென்னலாம் இருக்குன்றத first பார்த்து முடிச்சிடலாம். பார்த்துட்டு so half of the chapter இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிடலாம் and second half of the chapter வந்து next classல நம்ம வந்து பார்த்துடலாம். ஓகேவா? Yes. Okay, so arithmetic progressionல first most importantா நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய கான்செப்ட்ஸ்லாம் என்னென்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, so what is a sequence? So நமக்கு இதெல்லாமே என்னன்னு தெரியாது இல்லையா? So there is a difference between sequenceனா என்ன and then there is a progressionனா it's different. Yes, so what is sequence? progressionனா என்ன? progressionல arithmetic progressionனா என்ன? and then what geometric progression இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய progression இருக்கு. பட் நமக்கு இங்கே நம்ம இந்த டைம் we are going to study only arithmetic progression, right? So இந்த arithmetic progressionல general term and then selection of AP, yes, selection of terms of an AP, then sum of n terms, இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய topics we have in this chapter. And in the chapter it is wait for 2 minutes, students. CBSE. யூடியூப் போயிட்டுருக்கு. போயிருட்டா யூடியூப் வச்சு எடுத்து முடிச்சுட்டா
என்ன arithmetic progression
அதே தான் இருக்குது. 2 டைம் இருக்குது.
9 to 8
ஓகே, நான் யூடியூப்பில் கொஞ்சம் ஆன் பண்ணித்தாங்க. Okay guys, sorry for the entrance. Okay, so start பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Yes. So இங்க யாரு வந்திருக்கா? So it's One sec. Yeah. Okay. So, nama sonna mari arithmetic progression in the chapter la. So, from the basic, if we want to start with abdina, the first topic we have to know is sequence. So, in the chapter, ungalku exam point of view la, ipo deleted portions la kuda complete chapter ungalku irukkiradundrathu arithmetic progression chapter. And in the chapter is the most easiest chapter. Actually, ungalku nariya marks score பண்ணலாம் with easy sums அப்படின்றது வந்து இந்த chapter தான். So arithmetic progression chapter is so easy only. So இங்க நம்ம first basicsல இருந்து start பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா it starts with sequence. Do you guys know what is sequence? Sequence னா என்னன்னு தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? So do you know what is sequence? Yes, what is sequence? Sequence னா என்ன? Progression னா என்ன? Are they both same? So what is sequence? What is progression? Are they same? Hi Varsha, good evening. So you guys are friends, right? Are from same class, right? I can remember you guys. So polynomials test எழுதுனீங்களா? So how was the test? Polynomials test தான் உங்களுக்கு இருந்துச்சு இல்லையா? And another friend also, I can't remember her name. Yes. Okay, so let's how was this course and all? Netra, yes. Okay. Done. Okay guys. So sequence progression, are they same? They are two different terms. Are they same? Yes, சொல்லுங்க. Sequence and progression, are they same? உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்ச அந்த understanding வச்சு சொல்லுங்க. Are they same? No, right? So, sequence na enna, progression na enna? Sequence is nothing but arrangement of numbers, okay? So, it is nothing but arrangement of numbers in a definite order, okay? In a definite order. This is what is called as sequence, okay? So, ipo na oru sequence neengale solunga paakalam. So, give me an example for sequence. So, give me an example for sequence. So let us take this 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Some way, this is a sequence. Yes? So, yeah, Varsha also gave me a sequence which is 2, 4, 6, 8 na oru sequence kuduthirukeenga. Yes, it is also a sequence. So, indha madri pogiradhu is a sequence. So, let's take a sequence to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டெஃபினைட் ஆர்டரில் நம்ம நம்பர்ஸை அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா இட் இஸ் கால்ட் as வாட் அ சீக்வன்ஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ இங்கே ஸோ டெல் மீ வாட் இஸ் ஈச் திங் இன் திஸ் ஈச் நம்பர் இன் த சீக்வன்ஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் as. ஒவ்வொரு நம்பருக்கும் என்ன நேம் சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம ஒரு சீக்வன்ஸில்? வாட் இஸ் த நேம் ஃபார் ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி நம்பர்? each and every number க்கு நேம் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? terms ன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? so it is called as terms. so அதுல இங்க first இருக்கிறதுக்கு பேரு what is it? it is first term and the first term is being represented as a1. yes or no? so அதே மாதிரி next number என்ன? so this is the second term. second term na it will be represented as a2 and then it is let this be a3. so இந்த மாதிரி தான் terms. இதுதான் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா சீக்வன்ஸ்ல நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா they are called as terms and the terms are represented as a1, a2, a3 etc. அப்போ nth ஒரு term இருக்கும் இல்லையா? what will it be? yes, what will be the nth term? nth term நம்ம எப்படி represent பண்ணுவோம்? nth term அப்ப நம்ம எப்படி represent பண்ணுவோம்? it will be like an. yes, Shruti, superb. It will be the nth term will be an. so in a sequence the first term is represented as a1, second term is a2 and it goes on like that and the nth term will be an. this is the representation of numbers in a sequence. okay va? okay, so now let's go with an example for sequence. so sequence na enna theriyudhu? okay, when you look at a sequence you can identify whether it is a sequence or not. நம்மளால சொல்ல முடியுது. okay, they are giving you this an is nothing but what? an is nothing but ஏன்ன்றது என்னது? nth term. yes, இந்த nth term அவங்க உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க 3n plus 2 அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. so write the first 3 terms of the sequence அப்படின்னு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு question கேட்குறாங்க அப்படின்னா then how will you find the first 3 terms of this sequence? yes, சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். so how to find the first 3 terms of a sequence அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்கன்னா what we have to do? So that நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to substitute n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3 so that you will be getting the first three values of a sequence which is a1, a2 and a3. What is meant by this? Just you have to substitute 1 in the place of n and you have to find a value, and then you have to substitute 2 in it and then find a value for it, and then substitute n is equal to 3 in this given, so that you will be getting 3 numbers. What are the 3 numbers? Just tell me the answer. So when you substitute 1, 2, 3, what is the answers? What is a1, a2, a3? What is a1, a2, a3? Yes, Shruti answers. Okay, Varsha, give me the answer. It is 5. Super, Varsha. Next. 8. Superb. And a3 is? And Monica, what is the answers? Okay, 5, 8, 11. Superb. Yes, it is. So, the sequence, if they ask you to find the first 3 terms of a given sequence, you have to write it as the first 3 terms of this sequence is 5, 8, 11. That's it. Okay, are you guys thorough with how to find a sequence or how to find the terms in it? So உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஒரு சீக்வன்ஸ்னா இட் இஸ் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் நம்பர்ஸ்னு தெரிஞ்சா போதும், அண்ட் அதில் a1, a2, a3 அந்த ரெப்ரசன்டேஷன்ஸ்லாம் என்ன, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம், செகண்ட் டேர்ம், தேர்ட் டேர்ம், அண்ட் an is nothing but nth term. So we don't know which term it is. So it is, we are just representing it as a nth term. Okay, so if they give you a nth term and if they ask you to find the first 3 terms or first 5 terms or first 7 terms, what you have to do? You have to just substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3, that's it. That's it. Okay, so let me give you the next question. an is equal to minus 1 the whole power n minus 1 into 2 power n. So now you have to find 4 terms. Okay, first 4 terms, not 4 terms. Okay, 4 terms after n greater than 2. So what are the n values? For which values you will be finding the values of the sequence? Just tell me. So for what are the values you will be finding the a values? For what values of n you will be finding the a values? So they are asking us to find the 4 terms after n greater than 2. Then n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5 and n is equal to 6. Super, Shruti, yes. So these 4 values, for these 4 values we have to find, which is a3, a4, a5 and a6. For these 4 values now we have to find the values. Yes, do you guys understand this now? என்ன சொல்றாங்க, 4 terms find பண்ணுங்க. After எதுக்கு அப்புறமா என்னோட வேல்யூ 2 விட அதிகமா இருக்கிற நம்பர்ஸ். ஓகே, so n value should be greater than 2 and greater than 2 க்கு அப்புறமா இருக்கிற நம்பர்ஸ்ல இருந்து 4 terms வர மாதிரி. So you have to find the values. So it will be a3, a4, a5 and a6 values. Just substitute those values in the given an and tell me what is the answer for a3, a4, a5 and a6. What we have to do? We have to simply substitute 3 in the place of n. So minus 1 the whole power 3 minus 1 into 2 power 3, which is, what is the answer? Minus 1 the whole power 2 is minus 1 the whole square into 2 cube is 8. So it is simply 8. Yes. So similarly, Super, Shruti, yes, the answer is 8. Super, Varsha. And what is 4? A4. What is the value for a4? Yes, guys. So those who joined in the live, just share the link with your friends. Ask them also to join so that they also get benefited out of it. Yes, no. So answers. Super, Varsha got the answer. Is it that, Varsha? Is that the value? Monica, what is the answer for a4? Shruti, what's the answer? Minus 16. Yes, it is. So it is going to be minus 16. Check. Varsha, Monica, it's not minus 8. So what we have to do is simply we'll be substituting it over here, which is minus 1 the whole power 4 minus 1 into 2 power 4, right? So it will be minus 1 the whole cube into 2 power 4 is 16. So it will be minus 1 whole cube will be minus 1 into 16 is minus 16 will be the answer for A4. Okay? Yes? Now are you guys clear with this? So A3 value is 8 and A4 value is minus 16. How to find A5 value? What is A5 and A6 value? Super. Yes, Varsha. Superb. And the next value is A6 value. So Monica, did you get the answer for A5? Yes, and the value of A6? And the value of A6? So Shruti, your answer is wrong. Just check. So what you'll be doing is minus 1 the whole power 5 minus 1, which is minus 1 the whole power 4, which is plus 1. And 2 power 5. What is 2 power 5? Is it 80? 2 power 5 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. That is multiply 2 for 5 times, which will be 32. And here for you, the answer will be minus 64. Yes, Varsha, superb. Okay, so now you have to write the next 4 terms of the sequence will be 8, minus 16, 32, minus 64. Okay? Yes? Are you guys okay with this sum? Shall I move on to the next sum? Yes, are you guys clear with this? Yes or no? Yes? Monica, do you get the same answers? So now let's move on to what is arithmetic progression, the actual chapter. Okay, so what's arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression, normally it is also a sequence. Okay, it is also a sequence, but why it is called as an arithmetic progression is that there will exist a constant number, d exists. Okay, there exists a constant number d. Okay, so what is this? A sequence a1 to an is called arithmetic progression if there exists a constant number d. What is this d actually? So for your first term, you will be taking it as a. So you will be representing the first term as a. Okay, so then if for the second term is a2. So this a2 will have a existence of a1, the first term, plus a constant number d. Okay, it will be added along with the first term. For the second term, so for the third term, you will have something like a2, which is a2 is the previous number of a3 plus a constant number d. Okay, so likewise it gets added up. So there exists a constant number d in the next numbers. So that only we are just telling if this occurs in a sequence, that sequence will be called as what? Arithmetic progression. Ipa sequence kum progression, arithmetic progression kum ulla difference ungalku purinjudha? உங்களுக்கு progression அப்படினாலே அங்க ஒரு pattern இருக்கும். அந்த pattern வந்து either addition ஆயிட்டே போலாம் or multiply ஆகிட்டே போகலாம். Yes, so that's what here. If it is add ஆயிட்டே போகுது, அந்த patternல add ஆயிட்டே போகுது அப்படின்னா then it is called as arithmetic progression. Okay, yes, so can you understand the difference between the previous sequence and the progression? Yes or no? So for sequence there won't be any pattern, it may be of any kind. Okay, so but it should be in a definite order, that's it. But here it should follow a pattern from the first term to the last term. It should follow a certain pattern. That constant number which is being added is called as common difference. Okay, yes, so here a1, the first term always being taken as a. Okay, so in a2 is the second term is being represented as a1 plus d. Okay, so what is a1 actually? Which is simply a plus d. So here in the place of a2 you can substitute this actually. Yes, no? இப்போ a1 a2 க்கு பதிலா substitute பண்ணா இந்த a plus d substitute பண்ணலாமா? So it is going to be a plus d plus d. You have another d. So that's it is a plus 2d. Yes or no? Okay, so similarly a4. What is a4? a4 is nothing but the previous number which is a3 plus a constant number d. Okay, so for what is a3? Sorry, a3 can be, in the place of a3, I can substitute a plus 2d. Again, there is a d here, so I'll be adding this d, so that it is a plus 3d. This goes on like this, yes or no? So here, we'll be considering this for an. An is nothing but, what is the previous number for an? Common difference, I'll tell you, Varsha. Yes? So, an என்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி the term, what will be the previous term of an? So, see here, if we take a4, the previous term is taken first and then d is being added. Likewise, for an, what will be the previous number? What will be the previous number? Just tell, no? Just give me a guess so that I'll tell you whether you guys are correct or not. It is simply n minus 1, right? So it will be n minus 1th term. So it will be n minus 1th term, which is a n minus 1. This will be the term plus d. So here, as if you had a plus 2d, you will be having a plus n minus 1 into, so you will be having what? A plus n minus 1 into d will be here as this. So let us prove this. So what is this d actually? D is nothing but, so when you write these as a sequence, so you know that a1, a2, a3, a4, an வரைக்கும் இந்த sequence போயிட்டே இருக்கு. So அந்த sequenceல dன்ற ஒரு விஷயம் constant ஒரு number வந்து add ஆகிட்டே வந்தங்காட்டிக்கும் அதை sequence னு சொல்லாம we are giving an another name which is arithmetic progression னு சொல்லியாச்சு. So for each sequenceல இருக்க ஒவ்வொன்றுக்கும் இப்போ நம்ம என்ன நேம் ஒவ்வொன்று வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் ஓவர் ஹியர் which is a, first term a1 க்கு பதிலா a, second term க்கு பதிலா a plus d, and third term க்கு பதிலா a plus 2d, and this goes on like this. So now this is the general sequence of an arithmetic progression. So the general arithmetic progression will be like this: a, a plus d, a plus 2d, it will go on like this. Okay, yes, are you guys clear with this? Yes or no? So a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, it will go on like this. எப்படி இது வந்ததுன்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியலையா? See here, அதான் நான் சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. So here you will be taking this as, இப்போ a5 term, okay, so இந்த sequenceல இருக்க, so நார்மலா a1, a2, a3, first term, second term, third term, fourth term அப்படின்னு terms இருக்கா? So இதில் அந்த first termக்கு generally will be here in the sequence itself, we'll be taking the first term, we'll be representing the first term as a. So first term will be generally, it is called as a, or first term we'll be telling a1 also. Okay, so a1 or the first term is generally will be a. Okay, so இப்போ அந்த a1 ஏன் எடுத்தாச்சு. So the second term a2 will be what will be, ஏன் வந்து அங்கே வந்து நம்ம சொல்கிறோம் arithmetic progression அப்படின்னா there will be a constant number which is added to the previous number. Yes, so அப்போ a2ன்றது என்னவா இருக்கும்? அந்த a1ன்ற previous number plus d இல்லையா? So what is a1 then? a. So it is a plus d. So அப்போ in the place of a1 you are writing a. In the place of a2, க்கு பதிலா you can write what? A plus d. Likewise for a3 you can write a plus 2d. For a4 you can write a plus 3d. Yes or no? Yes. Hi Lakshmi Suresh. So for a5 you can write it as a plus 4d. Yes, see here, இந்த மாதிரி proceed ஆயிட்டே போறப்ப, if here it is an, இங்க an இருந்தா இங்க என்ன ஆகுது? அந்த n விட -1 ஆயிடுது. Yes or no? So if for the last term it will be a plus n minus 1 into d. See, இது அதே மாதிரி தானே proceed ஆயிட்டு வருதுங்க பாருங்க. a2 இருக்கு, இங்க simply d. And இங்க a3 இருக்கு, இங்க 2d. இங்க a4 இருக்கு, இங்க 3d. So அப்ப an இருந்தா இங்க n minus 1 into d. Okay? So now are you guys clear with this? So இங்க இந்த இடத்துல அந்த sequenceல which is என்ன பண்றோம்? aக்கு a1, a2, a3, if it goes on like an, அப்ப arithmetic progression எப்படி இருக்கும்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா a1 க்கு பதிலா என்ன வேல்யூ? a, a2 க்கு பதிலா a plus d, a3 க்கு பதிலா a plus 2d. இந்த வேல்யூஸ்லாம் நம்ம இப்ப ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா? and an க்கு பதிலா it is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is what the arithmetic progression looks like. Okay va? Yes, are you guys are clear with this? Yes, each of you guys, Is everyone clear with this? Shruti, this is as a revision for you. Is that okay for you now? Okay, so இப்போ இந்த இதில் இருந்து common difference அப்படின்றதை எப்படி find பண்ணலாம்? Common difference. What this common difference is? Something is being added in everything, right? So, அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, so if this A1, A2, A3, it goes on like this, right? So if this is an AP இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, if this is not a sequence, if this is an AP இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா, there exists a constant number அப்படின்றத நம்ம டெஃபினேஷனாக சொல்லியாச்சு. So how will we find that constant number is? You have to subtract the second term by the first term. Okay, so if we'll be denoting this common difference as D. This common difference will be like second term minus first term. What is actually this? It is A2 minus A1. This value will actually be the same when you subtract A3 minus A2. Okay, third term if subtracted from the second term, it will be the same value which you get from the subtraction of A2 to A1. Okay va? A2 minus A1 பண்ற value or A3 minus A2 பண்ற value or A4 minus A3 பண்ற value. So இந்த மாதிரி எந்த ரெண்டு terms second term minus first term பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will be getting the same value. So எல்லா இடத்துலையும் same value உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சரா கிடைச்சிச்சுன்னா only then the given sequence will be an AP. Okay? Yes? So this value, this constant difference, no, அது வந்து எல்லா இடத்துலையுமே சேமா இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் given sequence will be an AP or else it won't be an AP. Okay, so இங்கே அதுக்கான ஃபார்முலா என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா an plus 1 ஃபைன் பண்ணுவீங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ உங்களுக்கு கொஸ்டினில் என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க அப்படின்னா இங்கே உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கொடுத்துட்டு ஒரு சீக்வன்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு அது ஏபியா இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு ஃபைன் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா how will you do that? You will be given with the an value like 3n plus 2. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு value கொடுத்துறாங்க. Okay, so for this, if you want to find whether this given sequence is an AP or not, you have to first give the value. You have to find the value of an plus 1. What is an plus 1 actually? You just substitute n plus 1 in the places of n. So it will be like 3 into n plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so here it will be 3n plus 3 plus 2. So it is 3n plus 5, right? So this is an plus 1. So to find whether the given sequence is an AP or not, what you have to do? Just you have to subtract this an plus 1 value from an value. So it is 3n plus 5 minus 3n minus 2. So these two gets cancelled. So it will be 3. So if you get a constant value as answer, if you get a constant value as answer, then the given sequence, the given an will form an AP. Okay, do you guys understood this? Yes, it is an AP. So okay va? So an கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா an plus 1 find பண்ணும், an plus 1 minus an பண்ணி if you get a constant value, this constant value can also be negative. Okay, so அது நெகட்டிவாகவும் இருக்கலாம் பாசிட்டிவாகவும் இருக்கலாம். நார்மலாக ஒரு கான்ஸ்டன்ட் வேல்யூ கிடைச்சிருச்சு அப்படின்னாலே the given an will form an AP. Fine? Yes? Are you guys clear with this? Yes or no pa? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, so now I'll give you a sequence. Just check whether the given is an 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. So check whether this sequence is an AP. So how to find? Just if they give you numbers, if they give you sequence directly like this and if they ask you to find whether the given sequence is an AP or not, you have to just go with D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to A3 minus A2, which is equal to A4 minus A3. Just take 3 like this and then check whether 4 minus 1, 7 minus 4 and 10 minus 7. So are they same? Yes, 3 is equal to 3 is equal to 3. So the common difference is the same. So D is equal to 3. The common difference is same. So therefore, this sequence, the given sequence will form an AP. That's how you can end this sum. So if they give you the sequence in this format, in the AN format, then you have to go with this process. If they give the sequence in this format, you have to go by this process. Okay, yes, do you understand the difference between the both? So you're just checking whether the given sequence is an AP alone, but if the question is being given as a sequence like this, you have to proceed with this procedure, and if they give like this, you have to go by this. Okay, yes. So the next thing what you have to know is that, okay, let me give you the sum. The sum is A is equal to 5 plus 2n. Okay, so for this what you guys are going to do is you have to write the sequence. Okay, so you have to write the sequence and show that it forms AP. So here they have given you two things. What are the things? First, you have to write the sequence with this. So if they ask you to write the sequence with, okay, super Shruti, yes. So if they ask you to write the sequence with it, you have to just substitute, this is simply a n, right? So you have to substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 values is enough, and then find the sequence, write it separately. So if for here a1 is equal to what, a2 is equal to what, and a3 is equal to what. Why are we finding this? Because they ask us to write the sequence. They have asked us to write the sequence, so that we have to find the terms of the sequence. So for that we are finding a1, a2, a3 values. So what is a1, a2, a3? What is a1, a2, a3? Just substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3 in the an and tell me what is a1, a2, a3. 7, 9, 11. Super. 7, 9, 11. So the sequence is, therefore the sequence is required. Sequence will be 7, 9, 11, and it goes on. We have just for starting of the sequence, I'm going to write the sequence to kuduthangatiko sequence eppadi start agudundradha vechu. So you have to continue the sequence because it goes on, right? Okay, show that it forms an AP or not அப்படின்றத அவங்க கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So for that what you have to find, you know, an is 5 plus 2n. To find it is an AP or not, you will be going with this process an plus 1, which is 5 plus 2 into, in the place of n you just substitute n plus 1. Then it is term multiplication, which is 5 plus 2n plus 2, which is 7 plus 2n. So the next step, what is the next step? So what is the next step? What we have to do next? Just tell me what we have to do next. What we have to do next? Supervasha, Monica. Yes, what we have to do next? It's not an AP? Is this not an AP? So you have to now go with what? an plus 1 minus an, which is simply 7 plus 2n minus 5 minus 2n. Yes, so this 2n and 2n gets cancelled, so you will be getting 2. 2 is nothing but a constant value. So it is a constant value. If you get a constant value as answer, then the given sequence will form an AP. Yes or no? Yes, Shruti, did you get the answer now? So you get 2 as answer. So 2 is nothing but a constant value. So for constant value, this sequence will form an AP, right? Yes, guys, superb. Okay, now let's move on to the next concept of this. So what is the next concept? Okay, first we'll solve another sum regarding this also. Write an AP. If they give you like this, write an AP whose first term is 10 and the common difference is 3. So how to form a AP? How to write an AP with this? First term is given as 10 and the common difference is being given as 3. How to write an AP out of this? So you have to start with the given things. So what is given? Given is nothing but A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 3. So they have asked us to write an AP, right? So the required AP is, okay, what is the required AP? What is that? A plus D, A plus 2D, and it goes on, right? So here what we'll be doing is that just substitute the values here. 10, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 2 into 3, it goes on. So it will be 10, 13, what? 16, it will be going on. Yes? Superb. Yes, Monica. Varsha, just check it. You'll be starting with A and not with A plus D, okay? Yes or no, guys? Are you guys clear with this sum? Yes or no? Are you guys clear with this sum? Okay. So the next important concept, the main concept starts from here. It is general term of an AP. What's this general term of an AP? General term is nothing but the last sum, the nth term. How will be the nth term looks like? So they have given you a pattern, okay? So ஒரு pattern உங்ககிட்ட சொல்லிட்டு அப்ப அந்த கடைசி நம்பர் எப்படிப்பா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்கன்னா அது எந்த பேட்டர்னை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுதுன்றத ஃபைன் பண்ணி ஸோ ஜென்ரலாக இது இப்படி தான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்றது தான் நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். which is n வச்சு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, which is an is equal to அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஃபார்முலா சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, which is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is what is called as general term of an AP, or else you can give it a name as nth term of an AP. Okay va? Yes. So why we give the name general term of an AP அப்படினா, so first term இப்படி இருக்கு, second term வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு, a இருக்கு, a plus d இருக்கு, a plus 3d இருக்கு, a plus 4d இருக்கு. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பேட்டர்ன்ல இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிட்டே போகுது அப்படின்னா இந்த லாஸ்ட் டேர்ம் வரப்ப எப்படி இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நம்ம செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா by using this formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay? Yes. So see here, இப்போ இங்கே நமக்கு என்ன மாதிரி sums எல்லாம் கேட்பாங்க அப்படின்னா, so the first sum, let's check with this. So if they ask you to find a12, find the 12th term அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க, a12 என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்கன்னா how to find this? How to find the value of a12? Yes, in the sequence 9, 13, 17, 21. So இப்படி ஒரு சீக்வன்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. இந்த சீக்வன்ஸ்லேருந்து ஒரு ஏபி கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. அந்த ஏபியிலேருந்து a12th term, that is 12th term of this AP, how to find? Hi Devi. Yes, how to find 12th term? Yes, so by substituting a value and d value and n value in this formula, we can find a12. So from this AP, we can find a value to be, what is a value? Super, Varsha gave me the answer. Okay, a value is 9, super, and d value is nothing but, since they have given you, the given is an AP, not sequence, right? So the given is an AP, so you need not to check whether it is a common difference or not and all. Just simply use the formula a2 minus a1 if they give you the thing as an AP, okay? So a2 minus a1 will be 13 minus 9, which is 4, okay? So d is equal to 4, a is equal to 9. They have asked for 12, a 12th term, so n will be equal to 12. So with all these information, we can go and substitute it in this formula, so that you will be getting a12 value. What is a12 then? Which is a is 9 plus n is 12 minus 1 into d is 4. So 9 plus 11 4s are, so it will be 9 plus 44, so which is equal to 53. So a12 is nothing but 53. Yes. Super, Monica, superb. Yes, fine. Do you guys understood this? Yes or no? So nothing but general term of an AP. If they ask you the formula, or if they ask you to find some term, you have to use this formula. Okay, so now the next formula you have to know. Nth term of an AP from the end. Okay, so they will be giving you they will be giving you an AP like 17, 14, 11, it goes on till minus 40. So this is an AP, okay? So for this, they are asking you for this is an also what? Nth term formula. Nth term of an AP formula is this, but this is from the first, okay? So you are calculating the nth term of an AP from the first, okay? So here they are asking us to find the nth term from the last term of the AP, okay? So there is a difference between these two. So for this, what is the formula? It will be like, here an will be like, sorry, it won't be an, it will be like nth term from the end is equal to. So, அங்க நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்? First term a plus n minus 1 into d போட்டோமா formula. So, here it will be L. L na என்ன? Last term minus n minus 1 into d. That's it. ரொம்ப difference எல்லாம் இல்ல. அங்க என்ன பார்த்தோம்? இதுக்கு முன்னாடி previous என்ன பார்த்தோம்? It is a plus n minus 1 into d, which is starting from the first term ல இருந்து நம்ம பண்ணிட்டு வந்தனால first term a plus n minus 1 into d பண்ணோம். இங்க nth term தான் find பண்றோம், but it is from the last. So from the last term ன்றனால l minus of n minus 1 into d. Okay va? Yes. Do you guys understood this? So l minus n minus 1 into d. So here for this sequence, for this AP, now we are going to find the sixth term. So to find the sixth term from the end, அதை find பண்றதுக்கான formula இப்ப என்னவா இருக்கும் சொல்லுங்க. So what will be your values here? So here L will be, what is L? L is nothing but the last term of an AP, which is minus 40. Then what is N? N, they have asked us to find the sixth term, so N will going to be 6. And D, common difference. Find the common difference and tell me, what is D? What is the D out of that AP? Find the common difference from that AP. Yes. What is the common difference? Find it from the AP. Yes guys, what is the value? Yes, yes, yes. So what is the answer? Common difference in there. Yes. So Varsha answer சொல்லிட்டாங்க. Others. Yes, others also. Just give me answers. Okay, Shruti, what's an answer? Is it simply 3? It is A2 minus A1, right? It will be 14 minus 17, which is minus 3 will be your D answer. So you have to just substitute these values in this formula, which is L is minus 40 minus 6 minus 1 into D is minus 3. So it is going to be minus 40 minus 5 into minus 3. So it is plus 45. So the answer will be 5. So the sixth term from the end, it will be 5 will be the answer for this. Okay? Yes. Sorry. It's not 5. It is going to be 5 3s are 15, right? So it is 25 minus 25. Yes or no? Minus 25. Yes, Varsha. Superb. Yes. Do you guys, do everyone get the same answer? இப்போ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சுதா? ஒரு AP கொடுத்துட்டு nth term from the end கண்டுபிடிக்க சொன்னா how to find, அதுக்கான formula என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சா? இதே nth term from the beginning, from the first term find பண்ண சொன்னா என்ன formula தெரிஞ்சிருச்சா? Are you guys are thorough with these two? Yes, you know what is the general formula of an AP, general form of an AP, general term of an AP, ரெண்டுக்கும் difference தெரியுமா? First, general form of an AP na, this is the general form of an AP. General term of an AP na da AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, and if they ask you to find nth term of an AP nalume idu da formula. In specific, if they use this nth term of an AP from the end na mattunda you have to go with the formula L minus N minus 1 into D என்ற formula. Okay? Yes. So, அடுத்து இன்னொரு type of thing we have to know. Another type of formula. Okay, what is it? Is middle term of a finite AP. So, what is this finite AP? இவ்வளோ நேரம் நம்ம பார்த்த APs எல்லாமே, so this is a finite AP, okay? So, இந்த மாதிரி AP எல்லாம் பாருங்க, infinite போயிட்டே இருக்கு இல்லையா? So, you don't know where it goes to end. So, இங்கே உங்களுக்கு starting point தெரியும், but the ending point தெரியாது. அந்த மாதிரி ending point தெரியாம போயிட்டே இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, then it is called as infinite AP. So here you know 17ல start ஆகி minus 40ல end ஆயிடும் அப்படின்னு தெரியுது. அப்ப இதுக்கு பேர் என்ன? Finite AP. So do you guys now clear with finite AP na என்ன and infinite AP na என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சுச்சா? Yes. So இதுல finite AP ல மட்டும்தான் we can find the middle term. Yes, starting and the ending தெரிஞ்சா மட்டும்தானே middle ஒரு term நம்மளால find பண்ண முடியும். Yes, no? So that's what here they are asking us to find the middle term of a finite AP. So for that what we are going to do is that, what is the formula is that upon the finite AP ல so let's take how many sums இந்த sum எடுத்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா so let's take this sum. Okay, 9, 13, 17, 21 and it goes on till okay, let's take 25. இதே எடுத்துக்கலாம் ஓகேவா? Yes, so இங்க number of terms in this finite AP என்னவா இருக்கு? Number of terms in the finite AP, what is it? Number of terms 5. So 5 is an odd number or even number? Yes, 5 is an odd number. Super. So இந்த மாதிரி finite AP இருந்து n வந்து odd இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா middle term find பண்றதுக்கான formula will be, that is n plus 1 by 2th term. Okay, so this is the middle term. This will be the middle term. Okay, so n வந்து உங்களுக்கு odd இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, that is number of terms in the AP, if it is an odd term, then n plus 1 by 2th term will be the middle term. Okay, so அதே மாதிரி இப்படி இல்லாம if it is 29 இப்படி இருக்கு அப்படின்னா so total number of terms இங்க எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 6 இருக்கு. So that is n is equal to even இருக்கு அப்படின்னா so which term will be the middle term னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா n by 2th term will be the middle term. Okay, so இது middle term இருக்கு. அந்த middle term கான value find பண்றதுக்கான formula என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it will be like it is given as என்னன்னு கொடுத்திருப்பாங்கன்னா a plus n plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into d. So normally a plus n minus 1 into d க்கு பதிலா அந்த middle term கான value என்ன? n plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into d. அதே மாதிரி எனக்கு n ஈவனா இருந்தா then the formula would be a plus n by 2 minus 1 into d. So உங்களுக்கு ஒரு finite AP கொடுத்துட்டு அதுல number of terms odd இருக்கா இல்ல ஈவனா இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணுங்க. So n odd இருந்துச்சுன்னா middle term find பண்றதுக்கான formulaன்றது a plus n plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into d, or n வந்து ஈவனா இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா middle term find பண்றதுக்கான formula என்ன? a plus n by 2 minus 1 into d. Okay, are you guys thorough with the formulas now? So general term of an AP liye you have different forms, different formulas. So நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி நார்மலா AP யோட general form அப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா it is a, a plus d, a plus 2d. Okay, and common difference find பண்றதுக்கான formula என்ன? d find பண்றதுக்கான formula என்ன? it is simply a2 minus a1. உங்களுக்கு questionல கொடுத்திருக்க அந்த sequence AP ன்னு அவங்களே சொல்லிட்டு common difference find பண்ண சொன்னாங்கன்னா simply a2 minus a1 find பண்ணா போதும். இல்ல கொடுத்திருக்கிறத AP ஆனே செக் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா what you have to do? You have to go with a n plus 1 find பண்ணனும். an இது ரெண்டையும் மைனஸ் பண்ணி கான்ஸ்டன்ட் வேல்யூ வருதான்னு பார்க்கணும். இது ஒரு ஃபார்முலா. and common difference find பண்றதுக்கு அது ஒரு ஃபார்முலா. and AP யோட general form இது. and general term of an AP find பண்றதுக்கு an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, or nth term னு கேட்டாலும் அதுதான். and அதுக்கு அப்புறமா nth term from the endல இருந்துன்னு சொல்றாங்க அப்படினா so you have to use this formula l minus n minus 1 into d. and then middle term of a finite AP, finite ஒரு AP கொடுத்துட்டு அந்த finite APல எவ்வளோ number of terms இருக்கு நம்மளால சொல்ல முடியும் இல்லையா? so அதுல odd number of terms இருந்தா middle term find பண்றதுக்கான formula, or even term இருந்தா that is middle term find பண்றதுக்கான formula இது. ஓகேவா? yes, are you guys thorough with all these formulas? தரவாயாச்சா? இப்போ வரைக்கும் formulas தரவாயாச்சா? yes, are you guys happy with the formulas? Shall we go with the next sums? Yes, okay. So in the example la enna kuduthirukanga parunga, if the 10th term of an AP is 52, which is a10 is equal to 52 nu kuduthanga, and 17th term is 20 more than the 13th term of, okay, 17th term na a17 is na equal to 20 more than na plus 13th term na a13. so இப்போ என்ன ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க? find the AP. AP find பண்ணனும்னா நமக்கு என்னென்ன values தேவைப்படுது? A value தெரியணும், D value தெரியணும். இது ரெண்டும் தெரிஞ்சா மட்டும்தான் நம்மளால we can find the AP by using the general form of the AP, which is A, A plus D, A plus 2D. And the formula we use பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா first you have to know A value and D value, right? Yes, for that நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னு பாருங்க. இங்க A17 னா how can we represent this? A plus 16D ன்னு சொல்லலாமா? Yes or no? A17 we can simply say it as A plus 16D. Yes. So அதே மாதிரி 20 plus A13 என்ன சொல்லலாம்? A plus 12D ன்னு சொல்லலாமா? Yes. So இந்த சைடு இருக்க இந்த Aவும் cancel ஆயிடும். Yes or no? So in the 12D next side போச்சு அப்படின்னா it is 16D minus 12D is equal to 20. So it is 4D is equal to 20 and the D value is 20 divided by 4 is 5. So you get the common difference, that is D value to be 5. So now you found this value. Now you have to find the A value. For that we'll be going with the second thing, which is A 10 is equal to 52. So from this you can write it as A plus 9D is equal to 52. So now what you have to do, you just simply substitute the D value in it. So what is it? A plus 9 5s is equal to 52. So A plus 45 is equal to 52 and the A value is going to be 52 minus 45, which is 7. So we got the A value, D value. Then what we have to do? We have to find the AP. So just write it as the required AP is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. And so just tell me what is the answer for this. Just substitute the values and tell me the answer. Just substitute the answers. Substitute the A value and D value in it. And tell me that AP value. Complete AP. Supershruti, yes? Yes, Monica. Yes, Varsha. Supershruti, is your last answer is correct? Yes, it is correct. Yes, guys. So the answer will be 7, 12, 17, etc. You have to add this etc. Okay? Okay? Yes. So are you guys are clear with this? Monica, just check. Just check. உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சா? Yes, are you guys are clear with this? Okay. So next term என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா is 184 a term of a sequence அப்படின்னு ஒரு sequence கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So it is the sequence is 3, 7, 11, it goes on. Okay. So in the sequence la A என்னது 3 and D என்ன, this is 7 minus 3 and 11 minus 7 பண்ணா ரெண்டுமே நமக்கு 4 தான் கிடைக்குது. So the common difference is 4. Okay. Now they are asking us, that is nth term of the given sequence of 184 னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். You have to now check whether the given sequence forms a whether this 184 என்ற அந்த term is it coming in this sequence அப்படின்றது தான் நம்ம find பண்ணணும். To find that, what we are just doing is that an is equal to 184 னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா, so which is இதுக்கான formula என்ன, a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 184. Simply substitute the a value and the d value in this, so that you will be getting what, 3 plus, you know what is n நமக்கு என்னன்னு தெரியாது, so you need not substitute that. So is equal to 184 னு கிடைக்கும். So now this 3 takes to the next side. அப்ப என்ன ஆயிடும், it will be 184 minus 3, it will be 181. And இப்ப இந்த n minus 1 na, it will be 181 divided by 4 இல்லையா, 181 divided by 4. இந்த 4 கீழ போறப்ப it will be divided by 4. Yes? Yes or no, guys? Yes. So next நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, so now இதை divide பண்ணி answer பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா என்ன வருது? So what is the answer here? So what's the answer you are getting? Yes, what is the answer you are getting? So okay, 181 divided by 4 ne irukattu. So you need n value. So it is 181 divided by 4 plus 1. It is 185, that is LCM எடுத்தா, so you'll be getting this. So இங்க 185 4 ஆல நம்ம divide பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா you'll be getting 46 1 by 4. So என்னன்றது என்னது? Number of terms. Number of terms நமக்கு இந்த மாதிரி mixed fractionsல வருமா? Or normally fractionல வருமா? Number of termsனா என்ன? 5th term, 6th term, 7th term அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். 7.15th term அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லுவோமா? மாட்டோம் இல்லையா? So that இதிலிருந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்லிக்கலாம்? That is n is not a natural number. Since n is not a natural number, the term 184 does not belong to this sequence. Does not belong to this sequence. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி we can end this. Okay va? Yes, do you guys understood this sum? Yes, do you guys understood this sum? Yes. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம இந்த கிளாஸ்ல what we have seen is we have started from the basics of arithmetic progression. The starting point of arithmetic progression என்னது? So sequence na என்ன நமக்கு தெரியணும். So sequenceல அந்த numbers எல்லாம் terms னு சொல்லுவோம். அதெல்லாம் நமக்கு தெரியணும். அது முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா so அந்த termsல இருந்து ஓகே அந்த சீக்வன்ஸை எப்போ arithmetic progressionனு சொல்லுவோம்னு பார்த்தோம். அந்த arithmetic progressionக்கு என்னென்ன டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃபார்முலாஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? அண்ட் அது ரிலேட்டடாக இருக்க கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸும் அங்கங்கேயே சால்வ் பண்ணோம். எஸ் ஸோ எஸ் till here we have solved with general term of an AP வரைக்கும் solve பண்ணியிருக்கோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் அடுத்த set of lectureல we'll be seeing with selection of AP. Okay, selection of terms of an AP, sum of n terms and word problems related to arithmetic progression and MCQs related to arithmetic progression. இது எல்லாமே let's discuss in the future classes. Okay va? Yes, are you guys are happy with today's class? Yes, Monica, Varsha, Devi and Shruti. Yes, and for Shruti it will be a revision class, right? Yes. Okay guys, so let's meet in another class. Bye bye students. Bye Monica. Bye Varsha. And yes, யாரெல்லாம் லைவ்ல பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்களோ டக்குன்னு ஒரு பாய் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். So let me know who are watching, who are in live. Bye Varsha, bye. Okay Shruti, bye. Bye Netra. Oh, Netra is also in the live. Superb. Yes guys, bye bye.